Okay, so here we are. We're going to work on next Khan Academy exercise here. I'm going to try and do it as fast as I can. Here I am explaining it, so you should be able, if you're really good at these, and you should be able to go through these really quickly. So let me start with this one. This is solve for x, and we're going to do our 3 steps. So step number 1 says to identify. So what's happening to x, right? So this is division. That's what x over 3 means. It's division. Step number 2 says reverse the operation. I know the opposite of division is to multiply, so I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to write times 3. Okay? So then the next thing that I need to do is to keep it balanced, right? So keeping things balanced means multiply the other side by 3. So now when I do that, I can simplify, right? We always simplify. So if I do x divided by 3 times 3, that just crosses out and we have x. I mean, they cancel each other out, those operations. And 8 times 3 is 24. That's simplifying. So that's going to be my answer. Okay, let's see if I can do maybe 1 or 2 more here. Sorry. So x equals 24. Boom. Let's go. Next one. This one I won't even bother to do the 3 things, but what is it that's happening to x? It's division, dividing by 2. What is the reverse operation of dividing by 2? Multiply by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. They'll cancel. Multiply, or both, keep it balanced by multiplying both sides by 2. So this cancels, and 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. Reverse. First I recognize that's dividing by 5. Then the reverse is multiply by 5. Keep it balanced. Times 5 here. So 4 times 5 is 20, and those 5s will cancel. So the answer is 20. Should be zipping through these. This is multiplied by 8. So if I identify my operation, it's multiply by 8. I'm going to do the opposite, which is divide by 8. And if I divide this side by 8, my answer will be x is 7 over 8, 7/8. And lastly, this is divide by 10. So I'm going to multiply by 10 both sides, and I will get 40. So that's how those are done.